Okay, so today we can talk about echo letters, or also we can say them like Qalqalah letters. In Arabic, this term we use as a Qalqalah, so also we can say them Qalqalah. Might be this is the new word for you. I'm going to explain that. So first of all, I'm going to write down all those echo letters, and then we are going to talk about how we are going to apply this quality. So the first letter what we have, that is Qaf. Second we have Ta, Ba, then we have Ba, Jim, and Dal. So to memorize these five letters, we can form a word. So you can try to memorize this word, then inshallah you are not going to forget these 5 echo letters. So that is Qutubu Jaddin. Qutubu Jaddin. Very good. Now also we can write down these 5 letters separately here. Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, and Dal. So these are the 5 echo letters we have. Now the question is, when we are going to apply this echo sound on these 5 letters. So the answer is very simple: when they have sukoon sign. When they have sukoon sign. That is the condition. All the time we are not going to apply echo sound on these 5 letters. In case letter Qaf has fatha, so just we pronounce it normally, Qa or Ta. So that time we are not making echo sound on these letters. By the way, what does echo mean? So it means that sound is bouncing back a little bit, and it happens naturally when these letters they have sukoon sign. So whenever you are going to see this condition, anyone it has a sukoon sign from these 5 letters, that time we are going to apply echo sound. Now just give them sukoon sign. So obviously we need one more letter before that, so just add Hamza here. And now if you are going to pronounce, so there will be echo sound on these 5 letters like Aq. So the Aq, at the end, the Q sound, that is the echo sound, and it happens naturally. If we are going to express this thing in a line, so when we are pronouncing this example Aq, so there are 2 parts. Number 1, we have Aq, this sound, and then we have Q here. So we can explain, we can just talk about in this way, that the Aq, this green line is representing the Aq sound, and the echo sound is representing this yellow color. Now pronounce that Aq. Yeah, there is at the end there is sound is bouncing back a little bit. Aq. Second, At, Ab, Aj, Ad. Fine. Now might be you are thinking that why we do echo sound on these 5 letters. So to explain this thing, I need to draw here, like for example, let's take the example of Ba. So we pronounce letter Ba from the lips, right? The articulation point of letter Ba is that we pronounce letter Ba from the lips here. So when we are going to say Ab, do not make the echo sound, just in case to understand this thing. When we are going to say Ab without doing echo sound, so lips they are touching each other, and the breath which is coming from inside, it completely close at the point of lip, and now it's very hard to pronounce the next letter because everything is closed. Ab, if we are not lifting the lips. So when we are going to lift the lips, so naturally the b sound happens, and that is little fast. Ab, ab. So making this ab sound, that is easy. For example, if we are going to control the sound like ab, so we feel little stress. So to pronounce, I mean to remove this thing, to remove the stress, we are going to apply echo sound on these 5 letters. So it happens on each letter. If we talk about Jim, so we pronounce letter Jim when the tongue is touching here with mouth roof. So when we are going to say ad, so the breath which is coming from inside, it completely close here. If we are not going to make echo sound, then pronouncing the next letter becomes hard. Ad, that's hard. Now we can't pronounce the next thing. When we are going to give echo, I mean this quality, when we are going to apply echo sound here, so then pronouncing the next letter become easy. So we can say that now the question is why we are giving echo sound these 5 letters: to remove the stress. If we are not going to do echo sound, pronouncing the next letter become hard. So to make it easy, we are going to give them this echo sound to these 5 letters. I hope you got it.
We have started Online Al Furqan Academy. Online Al Furqan Academy helps you to read, understand, recite, and memorize the Holy Quran online. We offer one-to-one live Quran classes using Skype and whiteboard for better understanding. We are providing courses of Nurani Qaida, the basic book to learn reading Quran, the Holy Quran reading with Tajweed. We have also designed a beautiful Tajweed course of 1 month for adults. Our brothers and sisters who have some difficulties to recite the Holy Quran, we have designed this course for them. Now they can improve their recitation in just 1 month. We are also providing the Holy Quran translation and explanation, memorization of the Holy Quran, the Arabic grammar classes, and Islamic studies. Meanwhile, we focus on memorizing the Salah with complete understanding and translation, daily supplications, dua with their meanings, basic Islamic fiqh, memorization of 40 short hadith with complete understanding. Start learning today. Simply send us a message on Skype, WhatsApp. One of our colleagues will come back to you shortly. Teacher and student will come online on Skype for first lesson.